In this video, I'm going to show you how to save quiz result in Formulu. I have prepared already a math quiz. Let's say a student took the test here. Once done taking the quiz, open this and go to View Responses. Click on Responses. From here, you can now see the overview of the result of the quiz. You have also option to download this in Excel format. I hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!